At a press conference organized by leaders of the All India Trinamool Congress, Meghalaya, the leader of opposition and also leader of the TMC in the state, Dr. Mukul Sangma, had made certain clarifications to doubts regarding his plans to associate with the Bharatiya Janata Party in Meghalaya. While addressing media persons on the 10th of May 2023, Dr. Mukul Sangma said that assumptions and presumptions should not take place amongst the general public, especially after having not heard facts from the horse's mouth.
Please hear from the horse's mouth before a story of such nature is carried. Because these type of stories send conflicting messages, and I have reasons to believe that these stories must be also connected with the election that's on. Because today is a poll day. Shillong election, the polling has been just completed. See, Ba A.L. Haq is a very good friend of mine. We have worked together for a long, long time. He was in Congress while we were in Congress. He was in the Council of Ministers when I was the CM. So you have seen this long association. And the good thing is that he wanted to meet me on the 3rd. On the 3rd. That means 2nd was the result, no? On the 3rd of March morning, we had tea. And we congratulated each other. But he was in a hurry to go to his meeting. But he told me one thing. He said that he was not happy with the outcome of the whole election results, obviously, because I think BJP also went hammer and tong to see that they win as many seats as available. But his concern was pertaining to whether we allow the continuation of this government. So only one thing he said, please do anything to see that this same regime does not come again. And we said we are doing it precisely. And then that you saw as a sequel to that on the 3rd. We tried to come together. It's a different thing that we could not give fruition to our whole collective effort. Because as I have said, the overall development that you saw after all these members of different political parties converged to one particular place